Hello, and welcome to a recording of Colonization of South America, a slide deck and recording made by Gabrielle Cray. Student expectation. I will be able to identify Spain, Portugal, Great Britain, and France as the European countries who colonized current-day Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and South America. Quick review. Colonization is one country taking control over other territories, usually by force. In your own words, write the definition of colonization in your notes. Please pause the video and take the time you need. Point to North America and South America on the map. Arrow pointing to North America and an arrow pointing to South America, both of which I am sure you found on your own already. Map of Mexico and Central America. Central America is the isthmus, or strip of land, that connects Mexico to South America. Look at the map. How many countries are in Central America? There are 7. Location of Central America. Notice where Central America is in relation to North America and South America. Here we have Central America shaded on the map, and you may have noticed that it is between North America and South America. Territories colonized by Spain. Spain colonized land in what is now known as Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and South America. The Spanish colonizers were called conquistadors, which essentially means conqueror. Location of Caribbean. The Caribbean islands are an archipelago to the east of Central America and to the north of South America, as circled on the map. An archipelago is a chain of islands. Notice where the Caribbean is in relation to North America, Central America, and South America. Under the Own It column in your notes, write the names of 3 Caribbean islands. Feel free to pause the video to take the time you need. Colonization of the Caribbean. While there were a few countries that colonized the Caribbean, blank colonized the most territory. Looking to the map on the left, you hopefully said Spain. If not, it's Spain. Colonization of South America. European countries who colonized South America. Portugal settled in the east. Spain settled in the west. Great Britain, France, and the Netherlands settled in the north. The Aztec, Maya, and Inca. The Aztec, Maya, and Inca were 3 major indigenous tribes in Mexico, Central America, and South America. Many of these tribes died from disease spread by the European colonists. Indigenous is a group of people, animals, or plants that are native to an area. Aztec. The Aztecs are known for many things, like the creation of cities and pyramids. They ruled from 1345 to 1521. An illustration of what an Aztec city probably looked like. What are 3 things you see in this city? How would you describe the organization of the city? This is the layout of Tenochtitlan, the capital Aztec city. What is one thing you notice about Tenochtitlan? Use the sentence stem to help formulate your thoughts. One thing I notice about Tenochtitlan is Maya. The Maya were known for their complex math systems, calendars, and architecture. This calendar was thought to have predicted the end of the world in 2012. This is a picture of El Castillo, a famous pyramid at Chichen Itza. Inside this pyramid is another, smaller pyramid. During the fall and spring equinox, there's a play of shadow and light that gives the illusion of Ku-Klux-Klan, the serpent god. Watch the video to see the feathered serpent. Inca. The Inca Empire lasted from 1438 to 1533. That's 95 years. They were known for their inventions like terrace farming. These farms were carved platforms into the side of mountains. The leveled areas would hold water for crops. Describe terrace farming in your own words in your notes. Terrace farms and Machu Picchu. Terrace ledges were positioned so the sun faces the ledges during the growing season. Machu Picchu was built by the Incas as either a religious site or royal estate. Built on top of two fault lines, the site has survived numerous earthquakes and it remains a popular tourist destination to this day. Thank you so much for listening to this recording. I hope that it was helpful.